Hi grammar lovers, welcome back to English Grammar Quiz 16 Phrasal Verbs. Can you score 25/25? Let's see how many did you guess right? What does give up mean? Is it to shout, to continue, to quit, or to explain? The correct answer is to quit. Look after someone means what exactly? If you got that, you're looking after your English well. Take care is the right choice. If you run into someone, what does it mean? Subscribe if learning new phrases is your thing. It means to meet unexpectedly. What does bring up mean in a sentence? It means to mention something. Keep bringing up great answers by hitting like. 2. Turn down a job offer means don't turn down this channel, subscribe now. Correct. It means to reject it. If you carry on, what are you doing? You're continuing. Like this video if you're carrying on learning daily. 2. Find out something means? Yes, to discover it. Comment, found it, if you got this one right. Put off a meeting. What's that mean? Let's not put off subscribing, shall we? To postpone. Spot on. A car that breaks down does what? Like if your grammar never breaks down. It stops working. That's the right pick. 2. Come across a word means? Great job. Share if you're learning new terms. It means to find it by chance. Take off can mean what? Let's take off into more lessons. Hit follow. To leave quickly is correct. Set up a business. What's the meaning? Ready to set up your English game? Subscribe now. It means to establish it.